Good morning. I wanted to take a minute this morning before I head off to work to talk with you guys about retainers versus active treatment in braces or clear aligners. This is a question that I get asked quite often, and it's just, what's the difference between retainers and braces? So sometimes people may come in, for instance, maybe they've had braces before, maybe they didn't wear their retainer every single night, and so maybe they've had a little bit of shifting of their teeth, and they're interested in knowing what their options are for straightening their teeth again. A lot of times people think that they can wear retainers and that maybe it will actually correct that shifting. And in certain very, very minor cases of tooth movement, that might be the case. But in general, retainers are used to retain the teeth how they are in their current positions. So just maintain them, not necessarily do any active tooth movement. Whereas braces or clear aligners are meant to actually straighten the teeth and correct the bite. So I wanted to show you what retainers we use most often in the office. I'm actually wearing my top one right now just so that you could see that it is something that is very aesthetic. It's just a clear plastic. This is called an Essex retainer. A lot of times I'll use these for patients, really in almost all cases, except for when people have severe crowding, especially of those lower front teeth, which oftentimes happens. In those instances, I will recommend a bonded retainer, which is actually a little metal bar that's bonded to the back side of the teeth so that you don't see it. And that will stay there permanently. I say permanent, even though that doesn't necessarily mean it'll last for the rest of your lifetime, but it is something that is there to help prevent relapse of those severe cases. Even still, when I do those types of retainers, I do still like to make these clear Essex kind to go over the top that you will always have to wear. We want straight teeth forever, so I say you have to wear them at nighttime for a lifetime, or as long as you want your teeth to remain straight. Last thing on the retainers today, when they're not in your face, they should be in the case, because if you've got pets like I do, pets love to get a hold of them, toddlers love to get a hold of them. These things can be damaged or broken, so you have to make sure you take care of them. Have a great day.